Hello and welcome to Bali. So today I would like to share with you how to create your own bubble of feeling good. Because sometimes when everything is challenging and difficult around us, if we feel stress and anxiety, we are not going to be efficient and we are not going to be helpful for anybody. So by creating our own bubble, it could be a way for us to feel good, to restore ourselves, and like that we will be helpful to others. And if everyone was doing that, if everyone was taking care of its own vibration, the global vibration of the planet will be totally different. And when the vibration is high, events do not happen the same way. So today I would like to share how I do. It's something that I used to do long time ago, and at the moment, as it's a bit challenging, I get back to my basics. So the first thing I do is doing guided meditation in the morning, which is from Abrahamics, and this it's the first second after my wake up, because when you do that, you are still in a theta state, which is the hypnosis mode. And you know that 95% of the time is run by our subconscious mind. And when you are in a theta state, you can access to this subconscious mind. So when you wake up, if you listen to this guided meditation or another one of your choice, you choose the message you want to put in your head. It's a way for you to guide your subconscious mind. And this meditation globally is to say, no matter what, I will stay in, it's a good morning, and no matter what, I will stay in a place of feeling good. Because at night, you reset your energy. When you wake up, you are brand new. And of course, during the day, maybe challenge will happen because we are all living a life, and sometimes challenge happen. If it's not directly in our lives, it's around us. And this meditation is really a way for you to remember and to focus that no matter what, you will stay in a place of feeling good. So you can't change the environment, but you can change and you can manage the way you're going to respond to it. So this is the first one. I will put the link below if you want to try it, and it's as well a beautiful way to integrate quantum physics and the law of the universe, one of the laws of the universe. The second thing I do is physical activity, because by doing so, you honor your body, the temple of your soul. You generate good chemistry inside of your body. And if you can have a physical activity outside, you connect to nature, and you connect to all the beauty which is around you, which is good for yourself. The next thing I do, so I still have not checked my messages. The next thing I do is having a healthy breakfast with non-processed food. Like this, there is no packaging, and it's good food for myself, because you know that food has vibration, has energy. So by taking care of what I eat, I'm taking care of my body. And then once I have done all of that, I allow myself to check my messages. So, because the thing is that as soon as you wake up, if you take your phone and you watch your messages and you watch the social media, you can stay for hours into it, and you don't control the information which is coming to you. So you just absorb, all of that, which is not good. Then the next thing I do during the day, when I work, I'm listening to solfeggio frequency. Like this, I choose the vibration of the music I have in background, and it's penetrating my cells, and I really feel good with that. One of the things that I do, I removed all the notification of my phone. I have no notification, and I decide when I want to go and check my application, messages, or whatever. Like this, there is no pop-up which are coming into my life when I don't want it. So it's a lot of Yeah, it reduces a lot the stress and the anxiety. The next thing I do as well, it's my relationship with the information and with the media. I decide when I want to go and search for information. I don't listen to it all the time, and even sometimes I don't listen to it at all. And I trust that the right information is coming to me. So if for you it's very a lot of anxiety, all this information, you can cut it and you can go and decide whenever you want to have information. The next thing I do as well, I don't have to do it now because now I know how to protect myself. But before I have to do it, when I knew that it was difficult for me to raise my vibration and I was fragile, I avoided to see people which were dragging me down. So if you feel that you are empowered and it's okay for you, no worries, you can see them. And if you know that you are fragile and those people are going to, drag you down, suck your energy, you can avoid to see them, or you can postpone, or you can see them very short period of time. And as well, there is two techniques. If you really have to see someone which is like that, you can protect yourself. So first of all, you avoid to face them like this. You put them on the side. Like this, the energy is going to, to slide. And the second thing you can do is to imagine that you have a shield around yourself, a blue shield around yourself. It's a bit esoteric and a bit like Star Wars, but it works. Either you imagine you have a blue light shield around you, or you imagine that you are all dressed with gold. And you will see that their energy will not penetrate your body. Because when we are an empath and we are not able to manage the energy with other, we can, take all their energy and after we feel bad. So it's up to you to know, are you going to react? And it's up to you to manage. If you see those people, how long you see them, if you do this protection or not. And you will see that after when you feel good, you know that it's not your story. It is their story. And you can listen to them with benevolence, with compassion. And you are just here to hear and not trying to fix them, and it's their story. So manage that. And you will see that it will change a lot. And the next thing I would like to share as well, it's ending. I'm gonna check if I forgot something. Sorry. No, I think I did. Yeah, I said everything. So I finish my day by a meditation. I'm doing a heart-brain coherence technique meditation. And I do that before sleeping because we are in a theta state again. And I try to see the film of my day and to be grateful and thankful for everything which happened into my life during this day. And as well, I'm thankful and grateful for everything that I had, everything that I have, and everything that I will have. Having the awareness inside of my heart, closing my eyes, feeling from my heart all this gratitude, and I'm falling asleep like that. And as well, I have a joker. So the joker is when I have to go out in Bali, I just say out loud that I unsubscribe to all the low frequency vibration authority and that I subscribe only to my divine authority. So yes, it's a bit esoteric, but if you are listening to this video, you're probably aware of that, or if not, this is a message you have to listen to today. So try to do that, and you will see that it works like magic, really. And you really feel strong and supported, and you will see that everything will flow in your life at this moment. So voila, I wanted as well to say that, so my name is Véronique. I am doing energy healing session online because energy has no border. So we can work online, and I can be in Bali, you can be in New York, and it works. Working on the negative pattern, working on the resistance blockages, and childhood wounds, everything which will bring you difficulties, stress, anxiety, everything that you would love to transform. As well, I have created a self-love program in English, in French, for women, for men. This program is during 4 weeks. It's 4 times 2 hours, and it's really made for you to know, heal yourself and empower yourself. So we gradually moving during those 4 weeks for you to understand a lot of things. And the last thing I do is giving meditation course. So if you want to learn how to meditate, to do manifestation, or to activate your Merkaba, just contact me and I will be very happy to help you. So here is the message for today. Feel free to use what is interesting for you, and create your own bubble if you feel that outside it's too difficult to face. And by taking care of your own energy, as I said, you are taking care of the energy of the world, because we are all linked one with another, and your energy will have ripple effect with the people around you, and it's going to be very strong. It's not selfish. Voilà, talk to you soon, and thank you for watching. Bye.